Okay, students, okay, friends, okay, parents. Now we have completed almost all exams. Now it's very tough situation for those students to discuss to decide about their future. Okay, so lot of complications will be there. Every step, every day, every decision you make is going to decide your entire career. So for that you should be very careful about the places you visit, the advices you take from which. Okay, because there are certain places where you will get the paid counseling. Paid counseling means they will guide you by taking the money. So they will not only take money from you and also take from the universities, take from so that they can give some positive information about that colleges or universities or branches like that. Okay, so please don't get into trap of such kind. Everything you should get official. Okay, so there are lot of sites will lure you with the rank predictor, college predictor, branch predictor, like that you will get it. Okay, but how they will predict? Nothing can be predicted, because last year cutoff and this year cutoff, will it be same? No. You can understand, as a faculty I know that this 2020 exam, advanced exam, was similar to 2016, not similar to 2019. Same way, this mains of January and this September was also different. So how you can predict based upon the 2019 result? You cannot predict. Strength is different, marks are different, cutoff is going to be different, number of students appeared itself is different, number of students applied itself is different. So don't go as per any prediction. Okay, you can get only rough idea. You can get only rough idea. I myself, before giving you the information, I am telling you why I am choosing this 2016 criteria for the advanced IIT, so that everything I will be giving you in detail, like as I teach a class to the students. Okay, so first let us start that whatever the information I am going to give you, they are all authenticated and government websites, not private universities, not something good about the colleges. Okay, so let's start counseling session. Okay, so normally previous session and this session counseling is different. Why it is different? Number of rounds. You can check with the, I will give you the both PDF link also, so that you can be understand what is the difference. 2019 there were 7 rounds. There are how many rounds? 7 rounds. Now this 7 rounds is reduced to only how many rounds? 6 rounds this year. Okay, so when it is going to start, what you have to do, and everything before going to your counseling round, you will be getting everything in flash. These many seats are vacant. Then you can decide. You will get lot of time. Don't be in panic. I will be giving you every detail, like NIRF ranking. Okay, before joining to an IIT, don't go with your ads given. Okay, NIRF ranking, why it is ranking is good, what is the good, what is the bad in that ranking also I am going to give you. Only thing you should do, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Okay, and press bell icon, so that I will be doing one special video regarding the cutoff only for IITs. Okay, what is the current ranking, this year ranking, and which method you should adopt to select your seat. There is no definite method that you should select to only this. It depends on your nature, because I have seen many students, they are going into the wrong colleges because of the somebody told, somebody suggested, but that somebody also don't know about that college, and he suggested that college, that branch, just because he got some commission from the fees. Okay, so be away from those people. At least you should select the person who is into that field at least. Okay, that means if somebody is saying about the college, at least he should be a graduate from the BTech. Okay, some business people should not come into the educational field. Okay, so this 7 rounds is now into the 6th round. So what are the dates and how the procedure? You will be puzzled to use. Somebody will say floating, somebody will say locking. What is that? I am going to tell you, so that when you reach that center, when you reach start counseling, you should not have you should not be blind. You should have at least some basic knowledge, so that you should not get into trap of them. Is it understood? So let's start. Have you pressed the bell icon? Have you pressed the subscription button and forward it to all your friends, those you wanted to help them. Okay. Okay, so first of all, you should know the dates. If you are knowing the dates, then you need not to worry. Okay, and I will be helping you only if you help me. Well, how you can help? You can share it to the maximum people. The difference between other YouTubers, other guiding people, and me is only genuinity. Okay, so after proper verification and without any uh, uh, what do you call duplicacy, I am giving you the information, so you can give me a support, you can give me motivation by sharing it to the maximum people. If I get few views, definitely I will get demotivated and I will not be able to work on this. Is it understood? So let us start with the registration. Starts from the 6th October. This is what everybody will tell, but registration ends and choice filling. You have time up to the 15th October. From the 6th October to the 15th October, you can register and fill the choice. So almost 9 days. 9 days you have. Okay. The more panic you have, the more problem will be there in this choice filling. Okay. Lot of people will come to you, will ask you to fill their college as a choice. They got this much placement. Until unless it is not from the authorized sources, that should be a government institution and that should be displayed in their website, then you confirm. Okay, so like IIIT Hyderabad, it is a government institution. I have shown with the website. I have made a video only for the IIIT just as a sample, so that you can verify before joining, before giving the choice filling. It depends. Suppose you are belonging to the Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, then definitely your first choice must be nearby, that is IIIT Hyderabad. That's why I have given the only guiding. I am guiding these you people to write the IIIT Hyderabad. This is the ranking, and from this place I am checking. That is the website, official website of the IIIT Hyderabad. So that way you should go. I will teach you how to verify, not that I will make everything for you. Okay. So let us 6th October to 5th October you can choice fill and register, and in between you can have a mock seat allocation. It is not actual, it is only mock allocation, just like practice. Okay, so practice session will be on the 12th October. Then first after you submit your data, your choice filling, everything, what they will do, they will reconcile and verify your data. Suppose you say this much percentage, everything you will fill up. So they will cross verify with the data on the 16th October. Actual counseling starts in the first round will be on the 17th October. Okay. So for this 17th October, this will go from the 17th to 19th. Online reporting will be between the 17th to 19th. Okay. Then after verifying, see here, nobody will tell you these many lapses. Okay, these many in detail. Understood? So after 17 to 19, 19th there will be closing of all first round seats. Okay. Then display of vacant seats. After 19 seats verified, suppose you are in the second round. Okay, so you should wait up to what, 21st. Okay, after on 21st only you will get the real situation, what are the seats available. Okay, then you are going to apply for it. Okay, so display of vacant seats and second round starts on the 21 October, and that is not final. Online reporting will be from 22. Okay, 22 to 23. Reporting will be between 22 to 23. Understood? So 22 to 23, and you can withdraw. You can withdraw from 23 to 24 also. So everything that list I will give you. Don't be in hurry. Don't be in panic. Okay. So this total schedule I am going to give you this time only 6 what we call rounds, and 7th round is called as a spot round. Whatever the seats left over, immediately they are going to hand over. There is no further decision. So that spot round is going to be a big benefit to you. And some terms, what are the terms we are going to use in the counseling, during counseling? They may ask you, you wanted to freeze or lock. So before that you should know what is freeze, what is lock. So how you have, what you wanted to, you got this opportunity in the spot round, you can slide. You wanted to slide, so you should know the what is the meaning of slide. What are the options for sliding? Okay, everything I will give you in detail, but it is not feasible for in one video because it is your life deciding. Okay, so you can enjoy your life till 6th October. Don't worry, and keep watching my videos daily 10 to 15 minutes and decide your future, and take the guidance from me. Okay, see you, bye bye.